If you guys are ready, I'm ready for the fun, exciting part. Here we go. So this guy has a lock right here. All right, look at that. So that's going to lock or unlock this knife in place. Go ahead and unlock this guy. All right, let's open it and look at that. Oh my goodness. Let's lock it in place. Here it is, guys. And CPM 3V, the EXO-M from Reate, right? You're seeing it here in Miguel EDC. I'm so excited for this knife. I've been looking forward to this knife for such a long time now, and it has definitely come through this moment here. I am so excited. Look at that, right? To get it back out. Look at that, right? Back in, right? Expand right here, drop. That's it, and you lock it in place. You want to take it back in, unlock, boom, look at that. Get a closer look here for you guys. All right, so you guys can see the quality and the finish on this thing is insane. I got mine in black micarta, right? There were some options for green and burlap, but I definitely wanted to get it with the black right there. Of course, we have to do the customary paper cutting test, and since we have two edges, right? We have both edges here on this spear point dagger looking version of the Reate EXO-M. We're gonna go ahead and, guys, out of the box, right? This is how sharp this guy is. If you guys are ready, I'm ready. Here we go. Nice. Boom. All right, cut there at the end a little bit. Boom. Boom. All right, I'm now going to change the grip on it, right? So I'm gonna grip it the opposite way, right? And I'm gonna test the edge on the other side. All right, some nice clean cuts right there for the most part. Gotta say, guys, this thing is perfect in the hand, and I'm not trying to do a whole review out of the box right here, but that's just the way that it feels right here on my hand. I think feels perfect, right? That blade is not too long, right? I can't wait to do the review so like we can get measurements and things like that. Weight on this guy. By the way, I did notice this jimping right here, which I think is gonna come handy for some cuts right there. So that's also very nice and a very cool, interesting pattern right there, right? So give you another quick 360 right here on this guy so you guys can admire the beauty. I gotta tell you guys, I'm speechless. I don't know if I'm rambling. Hopefully what I'm saying is making sense. I'm just so happy and excited to have this guy in my hands. I mean, I don't know. I'm at a loss for words here with this guy. Well, that has been it, guys. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed the unboxing. By the way, I'm going to be EDCing this guy over the next couple of weeks. Of course, you guys already know the drill. I'm going to be dropping a comprehensive review on this guy once I've had the chance, the opportunity to EDC this guy some more. I'm definitely looking forward to it. If you don't want to miss out that review, right, make sure to subscribe, make sure to like the video. Let me know in the comments, by the way, if there's anything specific about this guy that you would like to see during the review video, so that way I can keep that in mind. By the way, by the time you're watching this video, it's very possible that the review for the CJRB Pyrite is out at this time, so check it out next. I'll put a card right here for you guys. Thank you all so much for making it to the end. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.